This is an NBD for me. Scooter is the hardest thing. A highly experimental trick. All right, guys. Today we are here at, what is this place?
It's Castro Valley Skatepark.
Castro Valley Skatepark with
Tycho Schaff.
and
Kurt Anderson. Tyler Capalli.
and you guys are gonna show us around.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've been to this skate park before and it did not look like this.
They got it redone.
When?
Like a couple weeks ago. Yeah,
So this is brand new.
brand new skate park.
Brand new. Okay, where do we start? This is how this works. We pick an obstacle and then you do as many tricks as you can on that obstacle.
Okay.
Scooter versus skateboard. No, just kidding. Go ahead. Yeah, the lowest obstacle first. Okay, grind box it up. I hope it's waxed too. This is way too much speed. Oh wow. First try. Okay, let's see if I can get a manual. Why did they have to put it right next to that crack? Nice. Okay, you gotta get a trick.
Can't do anything.
Yeah, you can. Right off the box. For sure you can. If you can't, I'll teach you how. Wait, I'll go first. Why did they have to put that crack right there? Let's go the other way, just in case. Because that crack is freaking me out. You're gonna jump on your board, you're gonna ride, and you're gonna lift up as you go off. That's it. Just lift up. Oh, first try, easy.
Probably not gonna be so easy for me.
Yeah, you got that. There you go. Good job. Okay, next obstacle. You gotta do some good tricks on the scooter. Nice. First try. Okay, this thing is something else. Okay, I like this obstacle actually. It's like a little miniature quarter pipe with no coping on the top. Yeah, get him. Easy money.
We've been practicing
Yeah.
this one for a little bit.
Oh yeah, you guys did this. Did you learn to drop in on this? How about this? Just put it there and then just front wheels down as hard as you can, shoulder down. All in. You got it? You scared?
A little scared. Way too scared.
You don't have to if you don't want to. The key is to drop your wheels as hard down as you can.
I'm so glad I'm wearing.
Yeah! He's like, I'm so glad I'm wearing pants when he's not. Oh, you good?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what you want to avoid. You can't second guess yourself. You have to go all in your shoulder, and you can practice on the flat ground by going like this. Try it just on flat. Now just drop your foot down. Yeah, don't have your foot like this. Make sure it's like you're in full riding position, ready to go, and then boom, drop down. Good, you feel that? So it's your upper body, head and shoulders, boom. You want to go into the ramp.
So kind of like your headbutting someone.
All your weight into the ramp. Yes, kind of like you're headbutting someone. I never thought of it like that. Okay, so put your front foot on. Drop. He's like, no way. Okay, no worries. You don't have to.
I'll try it. Scooter kid tries to drop it hard.
Scooter versus skateboard drop in. Yeah. First try. I was worried that he was going down there. Like they just didn't quite give it enough. Okay, this obstacle is 10 out of 10. And the grind box is only because of that crack, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Otherwise it's a 10 out of 10.
All right, let's do the A-frame.
A-frame it up. I love this little skateboard community. All the kids, they live right here. And they just come to the skate park. You got it, good job. Tail whip.
I can't tell what.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that like a reverse tail whip?
It's a heel whip.
Oh,
I
a
like
heel
these.
whip. Let's go in a line. Why do I just not quite have enough speed for anything on that? Yeah.
Say next this.
Yeah, this got to be last. Like, this is best thing in the park. How about the rail? Oh, I should have had the Grind King truck so I could test them on this. Okay, should we go to the pyramid? Yeah. Like, you got a 360?
I'm not gonna 360.
Let's go.
I'm gonna do something else.
Okay, get it. Nice. Yeah. This is a good hip though. Woo! First kickflip of the day. Let's see if we got it. Wow, just barely. It's a rough world out there today. Okay, what do we do? Back to back.
I'm gonna whip and you do kickflip on it, or-
Yeah, you whip, I'll kickflip. Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, rocket flip. I like this pyramid hip. It's fun.
I'm gonna try a highly experimental trick.
A highly experimental trick. Okay, let's see what you got. Whoa! Careful with that. Yeah! Yeah, we got a kickflip off on the pyramid hip out here at Castro Valley Skate Park. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Just stay on there, you got it. Okay. Side rider. Yeah! Nice. You got that? You got that? Yeah. Okay, 180 down. You good? Oh yeah, 360. Eee. Okay, no comply heel over the hip. This is an NBD for me. No comply big spin heel. Yeah, heel flip. Oh, doesn't really count, but whatever, we'll take it. Yeah, that was the pop shove it we needed in our lives. You gotta go? Okay, thanks. Well, thanks for hanging out. Yeah, heel whip. Oh. Yeah, you got it. Why, Aaron? Woo!
I'm gonna try and send Trey over.
Okay, tray it. There you go. You good?
Yes. Can you do anything on a scooter?
I cannot do anything on a scooter, no. I'm bad at the scooter. What do you want me to try?
Just going down and over the A-frame.
Okay, they're telling me that I gotta do the scooter. They said, of course you can scooter. I said, no way! Scooter is the hardest thing. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think is harder, skateboarding or scooter? Obviously, I've been skateboarding for a long time and I'm not scooter trained. What do I do? Shout out Raymond Warner. I think he did get me to drop in on a scooter. Nope, no way. Terrifying. That's it, just ride over? Think I got that, Derek? Well, you know what's really scary is this.
It's not that bad.
Ah! You guys are trying to kill me. Okay, so jump. You got me into this too far. I gotta land it now. Wow, 5th try? Okay, for the road. Ooh, sheesh. Okay, we hope you guys enjoyed this skate park tour. All in all, what do we give this park?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. If you're in Castro Valley, come and skate the brand new park. Just got fully remodeled, just got fully redone. And you can skate with some awesome people like these guys.
Yeah.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next video.